Welcome to Baptist Cengkareng Indah School. Baptist Cengkareng Indah School, a private educational institution that focuses strongly on character education and religious values. This school has dedicated itself to shaping a young generation that excels not only academically, but also possesses a solid character based on Christian faith. Established since 1980 under the auspices of the Baptist Cengkareng Indah Education Foundation, this school always strives to provide the best education with a focus on students' spiritual and moral development, starting from kindergarten level, then expanding to elementary school level, then further expanding to junior high school level, and finally, this school has grown to include senior high school level. Baptist Cengkareng Indah School is located at Cengkareng Indah Housing Complex, Block G, B number 1, Kapuk Village, Cengkareng Subdistrict in West Jakarta, with postal code 11720. On a land area of 1,004 square metres and building area of 332 square metres, Baptist Cengkareng Indah School has been able to survive until now, and with its commitment, Baptist Cengkareng Indah School is able to produce graduates with Christian faith character, loyal in serving God, intelligent, skilled and responsive, in facing increasingly rapid global competition. With the school motto taken from Proverbs 1:7, namely, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction." This means that the foundation of true knowledge and wisdom begins with respect, awe, and obedience to God, while fools do not appreciate divine teachings and wisdom. It is hoped that every graduate from Baptist Cengkareng Indah School will be able to accustom themselves to living according to Christian faith character, be faithful and devoted to God, have high discipline in pursuing academic and non-academic achievements, and possess skills that are ready to be used in the community environment. Baptist Cengkareng Indah School, building a character generation with a foundation of Christian faith. And every year, the foundation conducts character building and student spirituality by holding retreats for teachers and students in collaboration with the World of Life team, ministry team from the Philippines. Several facilities that support teaching and learning activities at Baptist Cengkareng Indah School include simple classrooms, which can be used well, school toilets and bathrooms, school library, very adequate internet network, science laboratory, sports field, simple and healthy school canteen, computer laboratory, teacher's room and principal's room. By prioritising Christian faith character education, Baptist School instills the Baptist character values, which mean B is clean, A implies is reliable, P implies is obedient, T implies is responsible, I implies is integrity, S implies is holy. So, with the virtues of the Baptist character above, it is hoped that Baptist Cengkareng Indah School can become one of the schools that always supports government programs in educating the nation's children. Along with the ever-changing times, in this year 2026, Baptist Cengkareng Indah School has committed and agreed together to renovate the old school building into a more spacious, comfortable and adequate building, so that all school members become more enthusiastic in carrying out teaching and learning activities. Finally, keep thriving, Baptist Cengkareng Indah School. May the Lord Jesus Christ grant His wisdom and grace so that it becomes a more advanced and excellent school and ready to compete in facing the harsh global challenges.